Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today in this video guys, I am going to tell you how to bind your TBS CROSSFIRE Diversity Nano receiver onto your Radiomaster transmitter guys. In my previous video, I have already shown how to wire this TBS Diversity Nano receiver onto your flight controller. If you have not seen that video guys, I will put the link of the video above or in the description below for you guys to check it out. So guys, if you're new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. As you know guys, this is my Cinevo drone which I am creating on this my channel guys. I have already done the assembly and already installed my TBS Diversity Nano receiver onto this drone frame. Here onto the screen you can see the pin diagram and also the connection on how this Diversity Nano receiver I have connected onto the flight controller that I am using on this mini Cinevo drone frame. So guys, after you have done the connection correctly, now let's quickly bind this TBS Diversity Nano receiver onto your Radiomaster radio transmitter guys. Here onto the side you can see, here you have a black button. As you can see, this is your bind button which you need to press and hold while booting up so that your radio receiver is in the binding mode. So let's quickly do that. For me guys, whenever I boot it up, it is normally in the binding mode, so I do not need to press. But just in case guys, your radio receiver is not in the binding mode, you need to hold this binding button that is there onto the side to make this radio receiver into the binding mode. So let's quickly connect the power. So here is my 4S battery that I'm going to use. So let's quickly connect it here. As you can see guys, my drone frame is now booted up and my radio receiver has a green blinking light here. As you can see, it is blinking slowly, so this indicates that your radio receiver is in the binding mode. If for any reason this light is in red or it is not blinking, you can hold the binding button here guys to put it in the binding mode, or here is the instructions on the screen on several indicators which this blinking light indicates and the actions that you need to perform for your reference guys. So for now, since it is in the blinking mode guys, we are ready to bind this radio receiver onto your Radiomaster TX16S. Now that guys, you have properly turn on your Radiomaster, this is the sys key that you need to press and go on to the script and scroll all the way down till it says TBS agent lite. This is the script that you are looking for, and then press enter. Here you can see, as of now you are not seeing your radio receiver because it is not properly binded. Now let's quickly bind the radio receiver onto radio transmitter. This is my transmitter. I'm going to click on the transmitter and then you have an option to bind. Then you click on bind. It will ask that it is ready to bind. Press enter, click on enter. It will start the binding process. Then it will ask that whether do you want to update the diversity receiver module. Click on enter to confirm. It will upload the compatible firmware onto your radio receiver wirelessly, and it will update the radio receiver to radio transmitter version so that it can bind properly. It will take some time to update, so be patient. Do not turn off your radio transmitter as well as do not power down your drone so that the update finishes properly. Ensure that your batteries are charged so that it does not get discharged. So now your uploading of the receiver software is complete and it is now installing the firmware. Now it is binding. As you can see, the binding is okay, and then you can hit on return to close. From here onwards guys, your radio transmitter and receiver is bind properly. As you can see guys, the radio receiver light is not now blinking. It is a solid green light. That means that your radio receiver is bind properly onto your radio transmitter. So this is how guys you bind your radio transmitter onto your radio receiver. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications from my new videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching and clear skies.